How to fix Synamedia VideoGuard Player for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file that you can use to uninstall Synamedia VideoGuard Player for Mac. #bin/bash #check if the Synamedia VideoGuard Player application is installed. If d/application/Synamedia VideoGuard Player.app, then echo Synamedia VideoGuard Player is not installed on this Mac. Exit 1 by #stop any running instances of the application sudo kill Synamedia VideoGuard Player #remove the application bundle sudo rmrf/application/Synamedia VideoGuard Player.app. Echo Synamedia VideoGuard Player has been successfully uninstalled. Here are the steps to use this script. 1. Open a text editor such as TextEdit on your Mac. 2. Copy and paste the script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh file extension. For example, you can name it uninstall_Synamedia_VideoGuard.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file. 5. Make the script file executable by typing the following command and pressing enter: mod+x uninstall_Synamedia_VideoGuard.sh. 6. Run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter: /uninstall_Synamedia_VideoGuard.sh. 7. Enter your administrator password when prompted. The script will stop any running instances of the application, remove the application bundle, confirming that the uninstallation was successful. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.